everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a welding helmet, and it is by Rubik Welding helmet, and I'll show you guys what it is. The box came a little chopped up, so I'm just gonna open it up here. I already, top of it came open. So this is the helmet here, and it is auto darkening. What is this here? Please remove this protective film. Okay, I guess it was over there. So there's that. It's got a please remove here too. Boy, this one's got a plastic on the inside as well. And it has like a little battery inside of it to control the darkening part of it. Let me take this plastic off. Is it gonna come off? Please remove this protective film. Yes. Boy, this one's a tough one to get the film off of. I've got it started, but it does not complete. Okay, so here. Okay, so here's our little front screen that'll go in there. Okay, and it's auto darkening. So it says here test. Oh, that's just a battery tester. Oh, you can actually see. I don't know if you can see through it. There's my hand through it. And then if I push the test button, oh, it's actually going right now. I don't know if you can see. It's darkening and darkening light. See? And it auto darkens when it sees the light. So that's how it's gonna work. And then we have the head apparatus here to wear. Wow, this is for somebody really small, I guess. How do I do this? Oh, this one here. So that'll make it bigger. Wow, that's now it's for somebody huge. So that'll be how it will attach on there, and then these will screw on in there. So it's good because you can always switch out this stuff if you need to. See, so I will put this on it. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, and I did too much. I took out too many things. Okay, so let's see this. We'll go through here and there. And then this one here, through here. If you've seen a helmet before, you kind of get the idea, but so it'll be like that, and then you can kind of flip it up, flip it down when you need to use it. Just gotta aim it, you gotta put it where it needs to be and set it all up and everything, and that's kind of how it will work. So that's the gist of it here. So it'll be the little one here. What is this? Oh, I guess this is going to be the level of darkness, maybe. Let me see. Yeah, I think that's turning it on and off for the darkness. Wow, that's cool. I'm seeing flashing. Look at that. Let's see what else we got in here. It is solar powered somehow. So I guess that means when it sees the light, it turns itself on. What else? I guess that's it. So good for welding. Nice, simple helmet to have. And so if you're doing any welding or anything like that, you always have to have something. And this one here is going to fit the bill. Look at that. How cool am I? So totally gonna work. So nice helmet. So good works. We'll be sitting here in our workshop the next time we do some welding. So thumbs up.